स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू गुडवरिया। दोस्तों, आज के इस सेशन में हम आपके फोर्थ यूनिट में से फोर्थ चैप्टर रामानुजन इसका वर्कशॉप देखने वाले हैं। तो फिर चलिए वर्कशॉप की ओर बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट ए, यूज द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स और फ्रेजेस टू मेक सेंटेंसेस ऑफ योर ओन। यहाँ पे हमें कुछ वर्ड्स और फ्रेजेस दी गए हैं एंड उनका यूज करके हमें कुछ सेंटेंसेस बनाना है। तो फिर चलिए बनाते हैं सेंटेंसेस। फर्स्ट वर्ड इज enthusiasm and the sentence is the hiker set off on the hike with great enthusiasm. Next one, to loop off sentence, the deer looped off easily after being freed from the trap. Third, fraud sentence, the doctor was arrested by the police for being a fraud. Next one, clarity sentence, the teacher told the student that there was no clarity in her answer. Next is amiable, the principal was happy that the new teacher was an amiable person. The next one, to come to terms with, and the sentence is, the doctor advised the woman to come to terms with her illness. Lastly, convenience, the minister refused to come to the party unless he was provided convenience. Here we complete the question first A. Now move towards the question first B. The following words can be used as nouns as well as verbs. तो यहाँ पे हमें कुछ वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं जो कि nouns as well as verbs के फॉर्म में हम उसे यूज करते हैं। So make pair of sentences of your own using them as a noun in one and verb in other. तो आपको क्या करना है, दो सेंटेंसेस बनाना है। फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में आपको ये जो दिए गए वर्ड्स है वो एज नाउन यूज करना है एंड सेकंड सेंटेंस में एज अ वर्ब यूज करना है। Here we have given one example. She gave a smile. In this sentence, smile is used as noun. Okay. In the second now you can see the second sentence. Babies smile when they see their mother. And in this sentence, smile is used as a verb. Now we will use the given words. First is visit. My grandmother came over for a visit yesterday. In this, visit is used as noun. Second, we must visit the zoo when we go to Hyderabad, said Meera. In this, visit is word is used as verb. Next is honor. Now, first sentence, it was an honor to have such a great scientist visit our college. In this sentence, honor is used as noun. Second sentence, let us honor those who have laid down their lives for the country, said the minister. In this, honor is used as verb. Next one, that is report. So, इनमें से first sentence है, the class had to hand in their project reports by the end of the week. In this, reports is used as noun. Second, the witness reported all the that he had seen to the lawyer. In this, reported is used as a verb. उसके बाद next word है watch. Suman lost her new watch while traveling by train. Here, watch is used as what? Used as a noun. Next, watch the house to see if the thief returns. Ordered the inspector. In this, watch is used as a verb. Next word is form. The boy's admission form was rejected by the college as it was incomplete. This sentence form is used as a noun. Next sentence, he form our own impression of the new cooperator. In this form is used as a verb. Next word is surprise, and which is last word. There is a surprise for you outside your door, said my friend. And here surprise is used as noun. Next one, the villagers surprised the thief when he was sleeping and caught him. In this, surprise is used as verb. Here we complete the first question. Now move towards the question number second. Question number second is say why. ऐसा क्यों आपको बताना है. First, Ramanujan's letter bored and irritated Hardy at first. रामानुजन के जो लेटर्स थे वो हार्डी को फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इरिटेट करते थे. ऐसा क्यों? आंसर, Ramanujan's letter was written in slanting English and signed by a person unknown to Hardy. The script appeared to consist of theorems, most of them wild or fantastic looking. Some of them, though well known, were laid out as they were original. There were no proofs of any kind. It seemed to be a kind of fraud, and hence bored and irritated Hardy. Next, Hardy invited Littlewood for a discussion. हार्डी ने लिटिल हुड को एक डिस्कशन के लिए बुलाया, लेकिन क्यों बुलाया? आंसर, हार्डी could not get the Indian manuscript out of his mind. It had wild theorems he had never seen before or imagined. He wondered if it was a non-mathematician of genius. He had another look at the script and then invited the little Hood for a discussion to clarify his doubts. Next question. Mother agreed to send Ramanujan to England. तो रामानुजन की मदर रामानुजन जी को इंग्लैंड भेजने के लिए तैयार हो गई. आंसर, Ramanujan's mother had a dream in which she was her son seated in a big hall among a group of Europeans, and the goddess of Namakkal had commanded her not to stand in the way of her son fulfilling his life's purpose. Hence, obeying the command of goddess Namakkal, mother agreed to send Ramanujan to England. Next question. Hardy and Ramanujan could not talk freely with each other. तो हार्डी और रामानुजन एक दूसरे से फ्रीली बात नहीं कर पाते थे, लेकिन क्यों? उसका आंसर है, Ramanujan was an untrained genius. There was a big difference in Ramanujan's and Hardy's education. Ramanujan knew nothing of modern rigor. He did not know what a proof was, and Hardy was obliged to teach him some formal mathematics. He was sometimes confused with Hardy's conversation when it was outside mathematics. Due to all these reasons, Hardy and Ramanujan could not talk freely with each other. Next question. Ramanujan had to be hospitalized. रामानुजन जी को हॉस्पिटलाइज होना पड़ा, लेकिन क्यों? आंसर, Ramanujan had to be hospitalized because he was ill. He later died of tuberculosis. Next, and the last one. Ramanujan found the number 1729 very interesting. Answer, Ramanujan found the number 1729 very interesting because it is the pole alongside smallest number expressible as the sum of two cubes in two different ways. Here we complete the third question. Now move towards question 4. Question 4 is that read the text and list the achievements and honors of Ramanujan received in England. तो रामानुजन जी को इंग्लैंड में जो अवार्ड्स एंड अचीवमेंट्स मिली उसे हमें डिस्क्राइब करना है. आंसर, Ramanujan's achievements and honors received in England. First, the Royal Society elected him a fellow at the age of 30, which even for a mathematician is very young. Next, Trinity College elected him a fellow in the same year. And lastly, Ramanujan was the first Indian to be given either these distinctions. Next question 5. Wise, active and passive. मालूम है कि wise के दो types है. First is active wise and second is passive wise. The form of verb shows whether the doer of an action is an subject, that is active wise, or the subject as an action done to it, that is passive wise. For example, the thief stole the jewels, it is active wise. The jewels were stolen by the thief, it is passive wise. Note, while changing from active to passive voice, the verb form includes be plus past participle. In the same sentence, when the doer of an action is significant, we use active voice. In passive voice, the doer of an action may not be mentioned. For example, the thief was caught by the police. Next question 5a. Underline the verbs in the following sentence and state whether the sentences are in active or passive voice. तो हमें यहाँ पे कुछ sentences दी गई है and इन sentences में जो underline आपको क्या करना है, तो following sentence में से जो verbs है उन्हें underline करना है and दी गए sentences active voice है या passive voice है ये हमें बताना है. First sentence, England gave Ramanujan great honors. इसमें से verb है gave जिसे हमने underline किया है, which is active voice. Second sentence, a large undated envelope was decorated with Indian stamps. So इसमें was decorated is a verb, it is a passive voice. Next one, the timetable was not altered. Here was, which is passive voice. Next, he saw her son in a big hall. In this saw, active voice. Next, Hardy corrected his statement. Corrected is active voice. And then last one, Ramanujan was brought to England. Was brought is a verb and it is a passive voice. Next question B. Change the voice in following sentence. यहाँ पे हमें कुछ sentence दिए गए हैं and उनका voice हमें change करना है. तो अब हम इनका वॉइस चेंज करेंगे। फर्स्ट, हार्डी टॉट रामानुजन, रामानुजन was taught by Hardy. Second one, he knew nothing of the modern rigor. No, nothing of the modern rigor was known by him. Third sentence, sheets of paper were found in it by Hardy. Hardy found sheets of paper in it. उसके बाद next, Hardy was bored by that manuscript. That manuscript bored Hardy. Next one, Trinity supported unorthodox talent, and the answer is unorthodox talent was supported by Trinity. Next one, he could not break the ban. Answer, the ban could not be broken by him. Next question, which is fifth question, identify whether the following are simple, complex, and compound sentences. Here we have given some sentences and we have to identify their type. First sentence, when he opened it, he found sheets of paper, which is complex sentence. Second, he glanced at a letter, which is simple sentence. Third, Hardy was not only bored but he was also irritated, which is compound sentence. Next, Ramanujan turned out to be a poor clerk, which is a simple sentence. Next sentence, if Ramanujan had been better educated, he would have been even more wonderful than he was. It is a complex sentence. And the last one, Ramanujan was self-taught. He knew nothing of the modern rigor. This is the compound sentence. Here we complete this question. Now move towards the question number 6, which is interview question. A brilliant student from your school has won a mathematics quiz as a national level. तो आपके स्कूल में से एक ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट ने क्या किया है, मैथमेटिक्स क्विज विन की है, जीत ली है, और उसका इंटरव्यू आपको लेना है। उसके लिए आपको क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं and you have to follow the given step. Firstly, grading, introduction of the interviewee and achievements, two or third 2 to 3 questions about growing years, 4 to 6 questions about his or her achievements, 2 to 3 questions about future plans and prospects and expressions of thanks and good wishes. Now we will write the questions about the interview. First, good morning, Rajna. First of all, let me offer you my congratulations on the mathematics quiz, and that too at the national level. May I ask you a few questions about your achievements? First, did you have great interest in mathematics in early years of your childhood? उसके बाद next question you can ask, how did you develop this interest? Next question, how long did you prepare yourself for participating in this quiz? Who helped you and guided you? Next one, who encouraged you or motivated you at that stage? How did you feel when you were actually answering the questions? What is the next step from there? Do you plan to make career in mathematics? Any message to others interested in mathematics? And lastly, thank you and all the best for your future. Goodbye. Here we complete this question. Now move towards the question number 7, which is summary. Read the first 3 paragraphs on page number 92. आपको पेज नंबर 92 में दिए गए जो पहले 3 पैराग्राफ्स है उसे रीड करना है. From one morning up to a discussion after all. Reread the same, nothing down, only important points. Rewrite the important points in your own simple language in your notebook and make a certain that your summary is less than half of the length of the original page. तो आपको पेज नंबर 92 को रीड करने उसकी समरी बनानी है. तो अब हम समरी लिखते हैं. द मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट. One morning in 1913, Hardy received an envelope from India. It contained many lines of symbols written in non-English script. The letters with it written in halting English and signed by an unknown Indian wanted Hardy's opinion on mathematical discoveries enclosed. These were only some known and unknown theorems, without any proofs. Hardy theorems without any proofs. Hardy, bored and irritated, put the manuscript aside and went to play tennis. However, his pleasure in his game was interrupted by the thoughts of the Indian manuscript with the wild theorems he had left behind. He wondered if the man was a genius. When he returned to his room, he took another look at the script. Then he sent a word to Littlewood that they must have a discussion there after all. And here we completed the workshop. I hope आपको ये समझ में आया होगा. अगर आपको इस प्रॉब्लम हो, परेशानी हो तो कमेंट कीजिए. तो इसी तरह से सभी क्लास के सभी सब्जेक्ट के वीडियोस एक ही जगह देखने के लिए प्ले स्टोर पे जाइए, गुरुवरिया एकेडमी सर्च कीजिए और हमारा यह एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल कीजिए। यह एप्लीकेशन सबके लिए बिल्कुल फ्री है। एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करते समय अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, परेशानी हो, तो हमारा जो ऑफिशियल नंबर है इस पर मैसेज कीजिए ताकि हमारी टीम आपको एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल में मदद कर सके। इस एप्लीकेशन की लिंक आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेंगे, वहाँ पे भी जाके आप यह एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल कर सकते हो। हमारे कुछ सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट्स हैं, उनके भी लिंक्स आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेंगे, वहाँ पे भी आप ज्वाइन हो सकते हो। इस एप्लीकेशन में हमने चैट सेक्शन दिया है, इसके भीतर आप आपके सभी डाउट्स आपके जो अदर क्लासमेट्स साथ मिलकर ग्रुप डिस्कशन करके सॉल्व करते हैं। वहाँ पे हमारे टीचर्स भी हैं, उनके साथ भी डिस्कस करके आप आपके सभी डाउट्स क्लियर कर सकते हैं। तो दोस्तों आज के इस सेशन में हम यहीं पे रुकेंगे, जल्दी मिलेंगे अगले सेशन में नए वीडियो के साथ, नए सेशन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय दोस्तों, टेक केयर।